You've been driving your Dodge for years. You think you know everything about it, but I'm willing to bet there are features hiding in plain sight that you've never discovered. Secret capabilities built into your Charger, Ram, or Durango that aren't even mentioned in the owner's manual. I've worked on Dodges since 2008, and I'm still finding hidden tricks. Some of these features can save you money on repairs. Others make your daily driving safer and more convenient. And a few are just plain cool party tricks that'll impress your friends. Today, I'm revealing 8 things about your Dodge that even longtime owners don't know. These aren't minor details. These are genuinely useful features that change how you use your car. Keep watching because even one of these secrets could make your Dodge ownership experience significantly better. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Your Dodge can tell you exactly what's wrong before you visit a mechanic. That check engine light just came on and you're dreading the diagnostic fee. But here's what most Dodge owners don't know. Your car can display its own trouble codes. No scan tool required, completely free. Here's how to access the hidden diagnostic mode. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Turn the key from off to on 3 times, ending in the on position. On the 3rd turn, leave it in the on position. Your odometer display will cycle through different modes. Wait for it to display diagnostic trouble codes. The codes appear as P followed by 4 numbers like P0420 or P0300. Write them down, then look them up online. This tells you exactly what the computer detected. Now you walk into the shop already knowing what's wrong. This prevents dishonest mechanics from inventing problems or running unnecessary diagnostics. You can also use this to verify the shop's diagnosis is legitimate. To exit diagnostic mode, just turn the ignition off and restart normally. This works on most 2004 to 2018 Dodge models. Newer models with Uconnect may require accessing codes through the infotainment screen, but the principle is the same. Your Dodge will tell you what's wrong for free. I've had customers save hundreds by identifying simple problems themselves. One guy had a code for an EVIP leak. The dealer wanted $150 to diagnose and $200 for repairs. He tightened his gas cap, cleared the code, and spent $0. Another customer saw P0128 on her Durango. That's a thermostat code. She knew what part to buy before calling shops and saved $100 on diagnostic fees. Secret number 2. The hidden oil change reminder reset. Your oil change light comes on at specific mileage intervals. Shops charge $20 to $30 to reset it after service, but you can reset it yourself in 10 seconds. Here's the free reset procedure. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal to the floor 3 times within 10 seconds. The oil change indicator should flash and then reset. Turn the ignition off. This works for most Dodge models from 2011 to 2020. Some newer models reset through the settings menu on the Uconnect screen. Go to Vehicle Info Oil Life, then press and hold the OK button until it resets. Why does this matter? Because shops often forget to reset the light after service. Then you come back thinking you missed maintenance. They charge you again for the same service. Knowing how to reset it yourself prevents this scam. It also lets you perform your own maintenance without nagging reminders. If you change your own oil, you can reset the light and track your own intervals. On Hemi engines especially, keeping accurate oil change records is critical. Those MDS lifters need fresh oil every 5,000 miles. Don't let a shop's forgotten reset trick you into changing oil early or late. Secret number 3, your key fob has a manual door lock release. Picture this. You're in a parking garage and your key fob battery dies. You can't unlock your doors remotely. Most people would panic or call a locksmith, but every Dodge key fob has a hidden mechanical key inside. Here's how to access and use it. Look for a small release button or slider on your key fob. Press it and pull out the hidden mechanical keyblade. On your driver's door, there's a keyhole hidden under a small cover on the door handle. Pop off the cover with your fingernail or the key itself. Insert the mechanical key and turn to unlock. This works even when the fob battery is completely dead, or if your car battery is dead and the power locks won't work. Now here's the part nobody tells you. You can use this mechanical key to lock your car without setting the alarm. Useful if you need to lock your keys in the car intentionally, like when you're at the beach or going for a run. Just don't close the doors with the electronic fob inside or you'll set the alarm. Use the mechanical key from outside and you're good. This little feature has saved countless Dodge owners from lockout situations. I've had customers spend $150 on locksmiths when they had this key the whole time. One guy at a car wash locked his fob in the trunk. 20 minutes with a locksmith later, I showed him the hidden key. He wasn't happy. Secret number 4, the emergency fuel door release. Your fuel door won't open and you're stuck at the gas station. The electronic release button inside stopped working. Before you call a tow truck or try to pry it open, check this. Every Dodge has a manual fuel door release inside the trunk or cargo area. Here's where to find it. Open your trunk or rear cargo area. On sedans like Charger and Challenger, look on the left side trunk panel. On SUVs like Durango and Journey, check behind the left rear cargo panel. There's a small access panel or cable. Pull the cable or move the release lever. The fuel door will pop open. This works on all modern Dodge models. It's an emergency backup for when the electronic release fails. Common causes of fuel door failure include broken release cable, failed electronic actuator, frozen mechanism in winter, and damaged hinge or latch. Knowing about the manual release saves you from calling roadside assistance. $75 to $150 forcing the door open and damaging it. $200 to $400 repair and getting towed to a shop. $100 to $200. A 30-second fix instead of an expensive emergency. Secret number 5. Your mirrors auto-tilt when reversing. This feature exists on many Dodges, but most owners never activate it. When you shift into reverse, your side mirrors automatically tilt down. This gives you a better view of the curb and parking space lines. It's incredibly useful for parallel parking and avoiding curb rash. Here's how to enable it. Adjust your driver's side mirror to your normal driving position. Make sure the mirror adjustment switch is in the left driver position. Shift into reverse. Now adjust the mirror down to see the curb clearly. Shift back to drive or park and the mirror returns to normal position. The system has now learned your preferred reverse position. From now on, the mirror will automatically tilt when you reverse. To program the passenger mirror, switch the mirror selector to the right passenger position. Repeat the same process. This feature saves your wheels from expensive curb damage. Wheel refinishing costs $75 to $150 per wheel. The auto tilt prevents those costly scrapes. This works on most Chargers, Challengers, Rams, and Durangos with power folding mirrors. To disable this feature, simply adjust the mirror while in reverse back to normal position. The system will forget the tilt setting. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Secret number 6. Uconnect performance pages you never knew existed. If you've got a Charger, Challenger, or Ram with a Hemi, you're sitting on a rolling dyno. Dodge built performance tracking right into your Uconnect system, but most owners never access it. Here's how to unlock it. Press the Uconnect button or tap the home icon. Scroll to apps or vehicle info. Look for performance pages or vehicle performance. Select it to open the full performance suite. What you get is incredible. 0 to 60 miles per hour timer tracks your acceleration runs. Quarter-mile timer with trap speed shows your drag strip performance. Braking distance meter measures 60 to 0 stopping. Horsepower and torque gauges display real-time output. G-force meter shows acceleration, braking, and cornering forces. Lap timer for track days records your best times. This isn't just for bragging rights. These tools help you monitor your Dodge's health. If your 0 to 60 times suddenly gets slower, something's wrong. Maybe spark plugs are worn, fuel filter is clogged, or those Hemi lifters are sticking. Track it over time and catch problems early. For performance Dodges like Scat Packs, SRT 392s, Hellcats, and Demons, there's even more. Launch control settings, transmission shift timing, and cooling system temps all displayed in real time. I've had customers discover clogged air filters, failing fuel pumps, and transmission issues just by watching these performance metrics drop off. Secret number 7, Ram bed features nobody shows you. If you drive a Ram, your truck bed has tricks you've never used. Dodge packed in features that make hauling easier, safer, and more convenient. Here's what you're missing. The bed has a built-in ruler molded into the bed rail. Look at the top of your bed rail. You'll see measurement marks every few inches. No more guessing if that lumber will fit. The tie-down system is modular. Those cleats rotate, remove, and reposition anywhere along the bed rails. Pop them out, move them to where you need them. The bed divider isn't just a divider. Flip it over and it becomes a loading ramp for motorcycles, ATVs, or heavy equipment. On newer Rams, the Ram box side storage bins have a hidden drain plug. If water gets in, you can drain it instead of bailing it out. The tailgate has multiple positions, not just up and down. It can lock at an 88-degree position for longer loads that hang over. Some models have a split tailgate. The smaller section drops down independently for easier bed access without climbing. Here's the secret most Ram owners miss. The bed lighting isn't just in the corners. There are hidden LED strips under the bed rail caps. Turn on your cargo lights and look under the rail. Full bed illumination from hidden sources. No more flashlight fumbling when loading at night. Secret number 8, remote start customization you didn't know existed. You know your Dodge has remote start, but you probably don't know you can customize how it works. Most owners just press the button and accept whatever happens. Here's how to make it work for you. Access Uconnect settings. Go to Vehicle Settings, then Remote Start Settings. Here's what you can change. Climate control behavior. Set it to automatically heat or cool to a specific temperature. Duration before auto shutoff. Choose 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Heated seat and steering wheel activation. Turn them on automatically in cold weather. Defrost settings. Front and rear defrost can activate based on outside temperature. Engine warm-up RPM. Some models let you set idle speed for faster warm-up. Here's the money-saving part. If you set your remote start duration too short, the engine shuts off before it's warm. Then you restart it cold. That's double the wear on startup. Set it for 10 to 15 minutes and the engine fully warms before you drive. On Hemi engines, this is critical. Those MDS lifters need warm oil before they activate. Cold starts with immediate driving cause lifter tick. Remote start prevents that. You can also program different settings for summer and winter. In summer, focus on AC. In winter, focus on heat and defrost. The system remembers your preferences and adjusts automatically based on outside temp. Bonus features you might not know. Here are a few more quick secrets. The center console has a hidden storage tray. On Chargers and Challengers, pull up the cup holder insert. There's a shallow tray underneath, perfect for toll passes or garage door openers. Your Uconnect screen has a secret reset. If it freezes or glitches, press and hold the volume knob and the tuner knob simultaneously for 10 seconds. The system reboots without losing your settings. The Durango third row has hidden cup holders. Look at the side panels near the third row seats. There are flip-out cup holders molded into the trim. Most people never notice them. Ram trucks have a hidden 115-volt outlet in the bed. Check under the rear seat or in the bed near the cab. Some models have a full household outlet for power tools. Your spare tire tools are stored in clever spots. On Rams, they're under the rear seat. On Chargers, they're under the trunk floor. On Durangos, they're behind the left rear cargo panel. Why these features stay hidden? You might wonder why Dodge doesn't advertise these features more prominently. Several reasons. Not all features are available on all trim levels. They don't want to confuse buyers about what's standard versus optional. Some features are considered discovered benefits. They want owners to feel smart when they find them. Owners' manuals are already overwhelming. Including every minor feature makes them harder to use. Some features evolve from previous models. They remain available but aren't actively marketed anymore. Dealerships don't always train salespeople thoroughly, so even the people selling the cars don't know everything. But now you know these secrets. You can use your Dodge more effectively, save money on repairs and services, and enjoy hidden conveniences that improve your ownership experience. Your Dodge is more capable than you probably realized. These hidden features, diagnostic capabilities, and convenience functions are built in and waiting. Most owners never discover them and miss out on genuine benefits. But you're not most owners anymore. You have insider knowledge that makes your Dodge work better for you. Whether you're driving a Hemi-powered Charger, a Ram pickup, or a family Durango, these secrets give you an edge. Use these secrets, share them with other Dodge owners, and enjoy getting more from your vehicle. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your Dodge running like new.